Hi everyone, this video is for those who would like to give back to community, who would like to do a project with the children for hospice. We are planning to have a garden class together with residents of assisted living facility. And for that, we already start some plants. This is our starters. We will plant together with residents of assisted living facility. This is how one looks like. Okay, we need recycled handmade little flower pots. How can you make it? This is just an example. It's not requirement. We don't expect you to do just this kind of little pots. You can recycle any glass jar. This yogurt jar, this is how it looks like. That's the yogurt. Okay, let me just, yes, that's how it looks like. This already I ate. What do? You just decorate this little jar or paint this jar. We'll take those jars, put the little rocks, soil, and we will plant this little starter with the resident of the facility, and we will give those starters for them, so they will have something alive in their room, and they will take care about this little plant. That kind of plant is cleaning the air, which is very important. So take any glass jar, decorate it with children, and bring it to us so we can have garden class at the assisted living facility and make a difference in somebody's life.